we have to find the side length of a square with a given area. A is 1152 square kilometers. We know that the square has equals sides. We know also that the area of square is square of side, so S square. We have given that area is 1152 square kilometers. This is our S square. So now S is our square root of 1152 kilometers to second power. We only choose positive value because side cannot be negative. So this is equal approximately, you can use calculator, square root of 1152 is 33.9, so we can round, and will be to a nearest tenth, so will be 33.9 approximately. And of course kilometers. This is my solution.